Hello, welcome to People Tech. Today we are at the IoT event.
So I'm saying this is a smart dustbin and a smart drinker bucket. It comes with the smart drinker bucket. We made this out of COVID. So when COVID-19 came, you cannot touch the bucket or someone else can touch it. So when you send your hand, the water pumps out.
So is there water in it?
Yeah, there's water inside. But right now it's not connected. It's not connected. And this is the dustbin. When it detects your hand, then it opens. So when it detects, so when it detects your hand, when your hand is constantly there, it doesn't close until you remove your hand and it closes. And we have, yes, we have a Google Assistant here. The person working on it is inside. So
Hey Google,
yeah.
how are you doing today?
Thanks for sharing. You know what always makes me feel better on good or bad days.
I had a good.
Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Right now in Greater Accra region, it's 30 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it will be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 30 and a low of 24. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 36.
So what about it?
About,
See something on the
okay, so this is just like what technology is all about and everything. So it's just a video talking to you about. And this is a smart home project. So you can control items in your house anywhere you are, any part of the world you are. So I can switch on my light any part of the world I'm in. Yes. So when I say light,
is it voice?
it can be voice, it can be controlled from your phone wirelessly. And this also just a smart spectacles. When it's connected, any obstacles it senses, it makes a sound telling you that there's an obstacle in front of
Okay.
you. Yes.
Okay. So it's purposely is it for the blind people
Yeah,
or something?
visually
Okay.
impaired.
Okay.
And these 3D printed items. Yeah, so you can put your pen, your mark, anything, and this like a robot arm.
Okay.
You see those factory robots?
Yeah.
Do that.
For lifting
Yes.
items.
So made out of the 3D printer. Yes. And
So
this
was this also fixed by you or you bought it?
for the 3D printer is bought.
Okay.
Yes. And this also a picture frame out of the 3D printer. You can only see the picture when there's light on.
Oh, okay.
Like companies that do 3D printing. So like you have something to print on. So we use we have this Ghana back and it's the end of the wow. So we have companies like Ghana NetworkHub. You can actually use this one. This
Is it pregnant? Oh. But the phone is also pregnant. So the report is
yeah. Oh. We actually give it the correct one. This one.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is very nice. So if I want mine to be printed, you can do some for me. So this is a phone cover.
Yeah, this is a phone.
Oh wow.
And this is a phone case. You can actually put it.
Oh wow.
If you are watching.
Oh wow. This thing, I really need one.
Yeah. So you put it down.
But do you think handle right? Maybe this side be a little smaller.
Yeah, I get it. That you can bring it. You can bring it. Yeah.
Let me see this one.
This was the first one.
Oh, okay. Wow.
But
That's
the
very nice.
actual one, he hasn't brought it to me.
So this one too. Okay.
It's in another meeting, so like, it doesn't come with the actual one.
Wow.
This is.
That's
Yeah.
really nice.
Yes. So you design it on a laptop, then you send it to the machine, then automatically does it for you.
Oh, okay.
then it measures the length and calculates everything. So it does the calculation and everything. So you can get your 11 percentage. You can, so you just have to maybe send a request that, okay, my water level. Then if you say, okay, water level is this percentage. Yeah. So also when it's getting low, it's not
Who are they here, Grant?
so
Thank you very much. I think I'll go in and take
Okay.
this shot and also
Sure.
come for the exhibition.
Sure.
Thanks for your time.
You're welcome.